Jamaica's female stars to face tough but exciting relay final at World Champs Day 9. The final of the women's 4x100 meters relay is going to be run today, Day 9 of the World Athletics Championships in Eugene, and it is already shaping up to be a real exciting one. And of course, a lot of that excitement centers around the Jamaican team. Yesterday we saw Brianna Williams, Natalia White, Ramona Burchell and Kemba Nelson in action, and they did a wonderful job to take us into the final. Now that particular job is done, and it's going to be interesting to see the team that takes to the track for the final. Apart from the four ladies who ran yesterday, the team also includes Shelly and Fraser Pryce, Shericka Jackson, and Elaine Thompson-Herah, Jamaica's big guns for this event. So these are the ladies that I am expecting to see take to the track later, quite possibly with Kemba Nelson rounding out the four-member team. In the finals, Jamaica will be going up against teams from Switzerland, Italy, the United States, Spain, Great Britain and Northern Ireland, Germany, and Nigeria. These are all great teams from around the world, and every single one has the potential to take the 4x100 meter title home. But I am sure that if Jamaica gets the big guns on the track, and everybody executes properly, and there are no mishaps, then the little island nation will come away as winners yet again, keeping the World Championship title, won at the last championships in Doha in 2019. Good luck later, ladies. We don't have we pot cover them ready in long time. Let's fly that Jamaica flag high once more.